It's Narissa with Parkhopbears, and in today's video we are showing you some brand new merch that we spotted at Universal Studios Hollywood. This weekend they're having their very first Running Universal event at Universal Studios Hollywood, and we're really excited for it. They're having a 5K that takes you through the theme park and the back lot, and they have one on both Saturday and Sunday, and yeah, it sounds really cool. They used to have them at Disneyland and at Knott's Farm, but they haven't done them in a while, so we're excited that they're doing some sort of running event at Universal. The last time we were there, we spotted some of the Running Universal merch, which made us even more excited for it, so we thought we'd show it to you guys. Let's take a look. So that was the Running Universal merch that we spotted at Universal Studios Hollywood. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think of the merch in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We will be actually participating in one of the 5Ks, so we'll be sharing a video of our experience afterwards. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. And if you click on the little bell, it'll notify you as well. Wish us luck! Thanks for watching. Bye.